channel. Today is a new day and I wanted to share with you guys some of our favorite summer smoothies in this household. Smoothies are a huge hit here because my kids like to really get involved in them and actually making them. For me, they're really nice because it's a great way for them to eat vegetables as well as lots of fruit. So I wanted to share with you guys some of our go-to smoothies, especially for the summer because it is hot here in Florida. We go outside, we play for a little bit, and then we come in and build ourselves a smoothie. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we are about to do our smoothie. This is a fan favorite. We have some organic blueberries. These are frozen. Peanut butter, banana, a handful of organic baby spinach, and I make our oat milk. So we're gonna be using some homemade oat milk to make our smoothie. It is day 2 of a summer fave smoothie, and this is a festival blend that I get at Costco. It has mango, papaya, strawberries, and pineapple. So today's smoothie is going to be a little bit of a tropical flair to it. I like to add this well-made Thrive Market. It's organic greens. It's just a good way to just supplement. It has, as you can see, a blend of wheatgrass, moringa, kale, and spirulina. So this is definitely something I like to add when I don't have like a lot of greens in my smoothies. Then we have some chia seeds. I'm gonna also add a little bit of kale because we need to raise iron in this household. So kale has a lot of iron in it. And then this is the basically liquid we like to use. It's the Khalifa Farms coconut and almond milk blend. That coconut is going to give it that nice tropical flavor. So this is definitely a super easy and fan favorite smoothie. Of our smoothie day, and this specific smoothie is yogurt based. So I like to use the Greek non-fat yogurt, vanilla flavored, plus some frozen strawberries, banana, about 4 cups of water, and lots of flaxseed. So flaxseed has a ton of iron, and a lot of these seeds the kids actually don't feel in their food. So this is a great way to add them. And last but not least, something that I completely forgot is organic hemp heart seeds. So we're gonna add a little bit of this, but this is today's smoothie. Enjoyed those smoothies. Like I said, they absolutely love making these, and it's really fun for me as well because I get to sneak in lots of veggies and fruit that they normally wouldn't eat on their own. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time.